Hi, my name is Morgan Lomas, co-head of institutional here at Markets Group. I'm with my colleague Ratna Kota, Maryland State Retirement System. Ratna, thank you for joining us. I really appreciate it. What is
Thanks, Morgan.
something on top of your research list?
So what we have done recently is a couple of us got together and we decided let's relook at the entire market and see what investments are out there. Um, n- Traditionally, we look at asset class investments like focused, here's a target list, and but this time we wanted to put our heads together and say, you know what, let's look at investments across all asset classes and see what impact they are making on the climate risk, especially on the ESG front and climate risk, and see whether they could be a potential candidates for investments. So that we call it a theme team. So that's very interesting.
Definitely, for sure. Second question, coming off from your portfolio construction panel, what are some key takeaways that you had?
I think one that stuck with me is investing in reinsurance and the cat bonds that was talked about, and how Nick talked about um, not realizing good returns, underperformance for the first few years, and then they had a stellar year. So what happens generally in like long-term investors is they might have the tenacity to withstand that underperformance, but again, the magnitude of underperformance, right? So it's very interesting that they were able to do it, and we also looked at it, and we do have investments, direct investments in reinsurance and insurance. So that's something I want to do more research on, and see how those managers that we have invested in the past have done after incurring significant losses during hurricanes and all those periods. We have a lot of catastrophes, natural disasters. So obviously you tend to lose your investment.
Definitely, for sure. How do you like the conference so far?
Uh, Pretty interesting. I think the fact that they touched upon fixed income, private credit, private equity, and then we talked about portfolio construction, ESG. I mean, I really liked the spread and how it's not focused on just one aspect, but they touched upon every aspect of a portfolio.
I completely agree. It's definitely great to broaden the horizon, but it was a pleasure speaking with you and keep enjoying the
Yep.
conference.
Thanks, Morgan.
Of course.